Hey everyone, in today's video we are going to be going over setting up our theme onto our Shopify store. So right from your dashboard here, just go down to online store, click on that. This is going to pop up here, and all we're going to do is go to visit theme store. So now we picked a super simple theme, something that's pretty easy to work with, and it is called Venture. So just go to this search bar here and type in Venture. This is the theme that we're going to be using for all of our videos here. So if you want to follow along with us, just go here and grab this theme, click on it, and we're going to go with just the first one, snowboards, and click on Add Theme. Now this is going to show up. It's going to be adding it to our Shopify store right now, and it'll redirect you back to your dashboard here. So the next thing we want to do is go down. You can see it here in themes. Just click on this actions button and go to publish. Click on publish. And now if you go to the eyeball beside online store here, you'll be able to see the theme is on your store. Wait for this to load. And as you can see, this is what it looks like. So it'll look a little bit better when we have some products on there, but this is what it looks like on your dashboard. And that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one.